In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to add a new piece of content inside of the portal. Adding a new piece of content is a simple click of the plus button underneath the Contents section inside our portal. Once you hit the Content option, all you have to do is just name your piece of new content to whatever you like. You can add a comment for your own references, and also selecting a custom resolution. We have a couple preset resolutions that are located here, but you can always enter your own resolution by selecting this option. Once you do so, you can go ahead and create an open to start a new piece of content, or choose from a template. Our portal comes loaded with hundreds of different types of templates that you can basically utilize for your own use and really change up the way you want something to look. This is going to be very useful for you if you just don't know where to start, or you just need some type of good idea to really get started on what you like to use to customize. So once we select something that we like, we can go through and create an open, and just like that, we're taken to our canvas, and we can actually go through and start designing right away. So as always, if you have any questions, let us know. We also have other tutorials here that will show you how to utilize each one of these elements inside of our portal itself.